Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Guru is verily the representative of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. He creates, sustains knowledge and destroys the weeds of ignorance. I salute such a Guru. It is said that a Guru can guide us to the supreme knowledge which pervades all the living and non-living beings in the entire universe. I salute such a Guru. A true Guru and his disciple can conquer half the world. A Guru and his disciple are united only when their selves are identical and have a common platform to walk upon. A school gives such a platform to both the Guru and the disciple to come together to ignite the lamp of knowledge. Hence, it is rightly said that school is a building which has 4 walls with tomorrow inside. And of course, we all know that the future belongs to those who believes in the beauty of their dreams. A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. Well, over the years, the Shikshayan has produced a number of excellent students in academics who have taken the reputation of the school to new heights. And what's better way to appreciate and congratulate them than awarding them certificates of appreciation. Keeping this in mind, the annual prize distribution day is organized every year to reward these achievers. This year, amid the new normal scenario, it was decided to be virtual so that we can connect to all our proud parents in the safest way possible. The new normal has taught that be it not on the school ground, but the Guru and the Shishya can still join hands and still weave their dreams. Under the able chairmanship of Mr. Mukul Dagar and the copious guidance of Principal Ma'am Ms. Geeta Dagar, we were able to win over the tumultuous situation that has caused havoc in the world. Once again, a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome all of you to Verb 2020, the annual award ceremony. To begin with, let's invoke Ma Saraswati by lighting the lamp of wisdom and excellence. I invite our Honorable Principal Ma'am on stage to do the honors. On stage now. Ladies and gentlemen, today's cultural event is based on the theme of woman empowerment. The much talked about theme reminds me of a famous quote. She believed she could, so she did. Let us engross ourselves in an odyssey of a woman's life through a short dance drama.
Oh
a seed gives birth to a forest, likewise, a woman's womb gives birth to the future of humanity. Through this dance drama, we have seen the entirety of a woman's life starting from the birth of a Nanhi Pari. She grows up being adored and pampered as the loveliest member of the family. The strength she gains from her near and dear ones enthuses her to earn fateh wherever she strides. She overcomes all insinuations and strides with supreme verve to achieve the glories of the world. Coming to the main event of the day, I would like to hand over the honors to declare the first set of awards for the day to Ms. Ojasvi.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good morning to one and all present here. I will now take you through the proceedings. Teachers and schools have reformed themselves in the 21st century. We have now assumed over the role of educator, where we tickle the imagination of our children so that they can grasp faster, explore wider, experience, experiment, and find their own path of discovery. Journal Proficiency is an award that symbolizes extraordinary academic performance. It is presented to a student who has secured the best grades throughout the academic session. It is indeed an award of repute, as it can be achieved only through sheer hard work, dedication, discipline, and eagerness.
The first set of award is Journal Proficiency. Class Nursery. GP1 goes to Priyanshi. GP2 goes to Pakhi Singh. GP3 goes to Shanvi Semwal. Class Prep Sunflower. GP1 goes to Abhav. GP2 goes to Arav Jangu. GP3 goes to Viren Vats. Class Prep Marigolds. GP1 goes to Aradhya Vardhan. GP2, there's a tie for GP2. It goes to Vedic Vats and Keshav Kumar. GP3 goes to Kia. Class 1 Daisy. GP1 goes to Avika Kaushik. GP2 goes to Suryanshi Agarwal. GP3 goes to Rao Nirman Singh. Class 1 Tulip. GP1 goes to Avni Gaur. GP2 goes to Darshika. GP3 goes to Puneet. Class 2 China Rose. GP1 goes to Jivika Yadav. GP2 goes to Tanmay Mishra. GP3 goes to Tejas. Class 2 Gulmohar. GP1 goes to Tanvi. GP2 goes to Tejasvi. And GP3 goes to Akansha Kumari. Class 3 Einstein. GP1 goes to Yuvraj Singh. GP2 goes to Anshika. And there's a tie for GP3. It goes to Virat Dhillon and Panchi. Class 3 Newton. GP1 goes to Anshika Pathak. GP2 goes to Ishu Tyagi. GP3 goes to Harshi Jangu. Class 3 Stephen. GP1 goes to Anya Jaiswal. GP2 goes to Bhumi. GP3 goes to Harshita. Class 4 Aryabhatta. GP1 goes to Himani Ahlawat. GP2 goes to Vaishnavi. GP3 goes to Paridhi. Class 4th Brahmagupta. GP1 goes to Shashank Kataria. GP2 goes to Lavanya Yadav. GP3 goes to Vanshika. Class 5 Aristotle. GP1 goes to Anshika. GP2 goes to Akshay Tyagi. GP3 goes to Yuvraj. Class 5 Edison. GP1 goes to Ashika Bhardwaj. GP2 goes to Yoshita. And GP3 goes to Vandana. A big round of applause for all of the award winners.
A girl should be two things: whom and what she wants. Let's meet some wonderful men and women of the society who had made the world a wonderful place for the girl tribe to blossom into the characters who they wanted to be.
After being a Catholic nun, I dedicated my life to care for the destitute and dying in the slums of Kolkata. I founded a missionary of charity. I received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Guess who am I? Till date, I am the only female Prime Minister of India. I believe that let's not forget that in India, the symbol of strength is a woman, the goddess Shakti. Guess who am I? I was the reformer who challenged traditional Hindu culture during British rule. I also attacked the system of Sati Pratha and upheld the importance of women in our society. Guess who am I? I was the first Indian American astronaut and first Indian woman in space. I flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist. Guess who I am? I am an Indian amateur wrestler, senior Olympics coach and politician. I am the father and trainer of Hoga sisters. Guess who am I?
That was an awesome representation of women who have outshone in their life and among those men who have helped women in realizing their dreams. She remembered who she was and the game changed. Kudos to those innumerable parents who have made life possible on earth for the budding flowers. Moving on to the next set of awards, we have Miss Ojasvi Online.
Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. The next set of awards is application prizes. This award is a symbol of repetitive practice of concepts of what might look as very difficult at the onset, but is achieved through extraordinary hard work and perseverance. The students achieving this award patiently work hard and diligently throughout the academic session to emerge as a shining star.
Next set of awards is Application Prize. Application Prize for Class Nursery goes to Saksham. Application Prize for Class Prep Sunflower goes to Anahita. Application Prize for Prep Marigold goes to Gauravi. Application Prize for Class 1 Daisy goes to Aradhya. Application Prize for Class 1 Tulip goes to Shagun. Class 2. Application Prize for Class 2 China Rose goes to Chehak Kataria. Application Prize for Class 2 Gulmohar goes to Yashvi. Class 3. Application Prize for Class 3 Einstein goes to Jivika Kaushik. Application Prize for Class 3 Newton goes to Shivam Kumar. Application Prize for Class 3 Stephen goes to Hanish Changu. Class 4. Application Prize for Class 4 Aryabhatta goes to Manav Sharma. Application Prize for Class 4 Brahmagupta goes to Ishant Yadav. Class 5. The application prize for Class 5 Aristotle goes to Krisha. Application prize for Class 5 Edison goes to Anish Bhardwaj. I would request you all to give them a big round of applause.
Next online, we have a solo song. How overcoming the obstacles of life, breaking the shackles of narrow human barriers, woman tribe never ever looks back again. Moving on to the last set of awards, we have Miss Ojasvi Online now.
Intelligence plus character. That is the goal of true education. The best all-rounder, as the name suggests, this award is given to a student who has excelled in all the areas of curriculum, be it academics, co-curricular activities, or sports.
The next set of award is Best All-Rounder. The Best All-Rounder for Class Nursery goes to Nikunj. The Best All-Rounder for Class Prep. For Prep, Sunflower goes to Arav Avasti. The Best All-Rounder for Class Prep Marigold goes to Diksha. Class 1. The Best All-Rounder for Class 1 Daisy goes to Raghuveer Gupta. The Best All-Rounder for Class 1 Tulip goes to Pankuri. Class 2. The Best All-Rounder for Class 2 China Rose goes to Shaksham Tangi. The Best All-Rounder for Class 2 Gulmohar goes to Hitesh Kumar Dhawan. Class 3. The Best All-Rounder for Class 3 Einstein goes to Vrishti Kaushik. The Best All-Rounder for Class 3 Newton goes to Gauri Tyagi. The Best All-Rounder for Class 3 Stephen goes to Priyanshi Agarwal. Class 4. The best all-rounder for class 4 Aryabhatta goes to Dev Tyagi. The best all-rounder for class 4th Brahmagupta goes to Manay Dogra. Class 5. The best all-rounder for class 5 Aristotle goes to Anshika. The best all-rounder for class 5 Edison goes to Ashika Bhardwaj. Please give a huge round of applause for all the award winners. Brilliant achievers of class 10th are: for English subject, Rahul Rao, Sneha Yadav and Aditya Rao. For Hindi, Gauri Singla, Sneha Yadav, Neha Chauhan, Aditi, Saloni Jangu, Disha Tyagi, Rahul Rao, Mehak Manotra, Jana Kanwar, Lakshya Yadav, Sneha, Mansi Sharma and Sabhyata Yadav. For mathematics, Gauri Singla, Disha Tyagi, Saloni Jangu, Priya Kumari, Vikas and Riddhi. For science, Gauri Singla, Neha Chauhan, Priya Kumari and Sabhyata Yadav. For social science, Gauri Singla, Sneha Yadav and Sabhyata Yadav. For painting, Gauri Singla, Sneha Yadav, Sabhyata Yadav, Sneha Yadav, Anuj Bokin, Mansi Sharma, Aditi, Gauri Singla, Saloni Jangu, Vishal Tyagi, Vivek Tyagi, Yashashvi Jangu, Divakar Bhardwaj, Ayush, Komal and Shivam Sharma. Now the 12th achievers. For physics, Sheetal Singh, Kapil Gairawal, Disha Sharma. For chemistry, Sheetal Singh. For biology, Sheetal Singh and Neha Yadav. For mathematics, Kapil Gairawal and Mukta Gaur. For accountancy, Mukta Gaur and Nidhi Yadav. For business studies, Mukta Gaur, Himanshi Jangu and Nidhi Yadav. For economics, Mukta Gaur, Aishwarya Bhardwaj, Muskan, Jyoti Helawat, Himanshi Jangu and Sahil Kumar. For political science, Aishwarya Bhardwaj and Jyoti Helawat. For history, Aishwarya Bhardwaj. For English, Aishwarya, Jyoti Helawat, Kapil Gairawal, Sheetal Singh, Neonika Alok, Muskan, Mukta Gaur and Sakshi Bokhain. For Hindi, Muskan and Sakshi Bokhain. For physical education, Aishwarya Bhardwaj, Himanshi Jangu, Jyoti Helawat, Chandrika, Sheetal Singh, Vansh Tyagi, Ajay, Deepak Jha, Nidhi Yadav, Rahul, Jabez Isaac, Riya Malik, Neha Yadav, Muskan, Preeti Yadav, Mukta Gaur, Disha Sharma, Palak Yadav, Sakshi Bokhain, Abhishek and Neha. For painting, Nishant, Sahil Kumar, Ajay, Vanshu Gehlot, Riya Malik, Preeti Yadav and Sakshi Bokhain. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now it's time for some serious pondering on the values of women empowerment.
Good morning everyone. Today on this great occasion of prestigious award ceremony, I, Lavanya Yadav of class 5 Aristotle of the Shikshan School, I am going to present my views on women empowerment. As you all have heard, when you educate a man, you educate a man. But when you educate a woman, you educate a generation. I do really believe wherever there is a woman, there is a magic. This magic was recognized by our ancestors, but then the age of ignorance caused the disrespect of women, and as a result there was a downfall of humanity in our society. The women of our country were treated with dignity and respect in our history, but during the medieval period, women were treated like objects. We need to change this ancient notion, because here is the time where we are supposed to come out from the behind curtain scenes and conquer the world through the many feats of achievements. Men has understood and acknowledged the real power of women in all the fields.
Let it be Bachendri Pal in mountaineering, Kalpana Chawla in space research, Mary Kom in boxing, and so on. Now the duty of our society is to empower women by providing them all the opportunities and enabling them to stand independent and confident in today's world. So let's take a pledge to make this world better, equal and safer place for women. Thank you.
Indian culture gives women the utmost respect. Many of our gods are female and they have been worshipped as a deity by many faithful people. The goddess of wealth is Lakshmi, the goddess of power and strength is Durga, and the goddess of wisdom is Saraswati. Women are the epitome of wealth and power. Let's not disgrace the upholder of our society. All we need is to maintain a perfect poise between the genders as discussed by the two senior students of our school. Needless to mention here, parents are an integral part of a school. Dear parents, your opinion, your suggestions and criticisms do matter a lot in successfully running a school. Hence, we have invited bites from few parents of our school. Let's have them online.
Good morning everyone. My name is Meenakshi Jha and my daughter Sharanya Sandilya studies in prep class in the Shikshayan school. The pandemic has affected everybody, including the field of the education, but the Shikshayan school has taken up that challenge and has rose up above our expectation. The educational methods that they are using are amazing, and it has made the interaction between child and the teacher so involving that now the corona also seems to be normal for us. So again, my heartfelt thanks to the entire team of Shikshayan for putting so much of efforts for our children. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone, this is Asmita. My daughter Anahita, she studied in the Shikshayan school in first class. As we all know that how this pandemic affected our life completely, but I'm still happy that my daughter's studies is not affected during this time. For this, I really want to say thanks to the teachers who are doing their best and really worked hard to make this possible. And the school organized time to time the cultural activities, the other activities and competitions, which is very good to the growth and happiness to the students. So I really want to say big thank to the Shikshayan school and the teachers for their efforts. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Supriya Kaushik, mother of Prishti Kaushik. I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate and thanks all the teachers of the Shikshayan school for the efforts they are putting together to teach our children with online classes. During this time of pandemic, the school is doing great job. Thank you Principal Ma'am and all the teachers of the Shikshayan school. I pray for safety of all. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं पूजा यादव, मदर ऑफ मानवी यादव। मैं आज अपने आप को बहुत ही गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रही हूँ कि शिक्षान स्कूल ने मुझे ये मंच दिया कि मैं अपने विचार और आभार व्यक्त कर सकूं। आज के कठिन दौर में जिस प्रकार से शिक्षान स्कूल ऑनलाइन शिक्षा के माध्यम से बच्चों के वर्तमान और भविष्य के लिए सराहनीय काम कर रहा है, वह बधाई का पात्र है। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि यह कठिन दौर जल्द से जल्द समाप्त हो जाए। सभी के अच्छे स्वास्थ्य और उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए कामना करती हूँ। शिक्षान स्कूल के सभी शिक्षकों जनों को साधुवाद। धन्यवाद।
Hi, this is Jamal Vardhan. My daughters Lavanya and Aradhya, they are studying in Shikshayan school. Today I'm here actually. I just want to appreciate the teacher of the Shikshayan school for their eternal effort to make the children learn, especially in this tough time of the corona, which is the COVID-19 time. They are doing really great effort to teach the children. It is very difficult to teach the children. It is very difficult to find out the ways to find out how to make the children learn in this online classes. I have also noticed that the principal ma'am also auditing the classes regularly basis. So I want to thank the principal ma'am also. Thank you.
Thank you, dear parents. I congratulate and appreciate all the position holders, participants and their parents who have put faith, hope and love together and have raised a positive person in the society. As today's felicitation ceremony is nearing its finale, I would like to invite our esteemed chairman sir, Mr. Mukul Dagar, to enlighten us with few words of wisdom.
Good morning to all the viewers of our annual prize distribution ceremony for the session 2019-20 Verve. Award ceremony is an occasion where all achievers from toddlers to seniors and their families come together to celebrate the achievements of the past academic session. Generally, this ceremony is held in July every year, but this year we are going ahead in December owing to the pandemic. I begin by congratulating our numerous award winners. The celebration is about recognizing the many achievements of our students. I am both delighted and honored to recognize the exceptional performance of our students. Our award ceremony recognizes achievements in a wide range of subjects and experiences. Mainly it is academics, but also sports, music, quiz, debate, recitation and so on. The awards reflect the diverse and well-rounded education at Shikshiyan. Our board results this year were superlative as the past years. In class 12, the pass percentage was 98% to go along with 100% in class 10. As you could have seen in the presentation slides, our stream-wise toppers and the class 10th topper all went above the 95% benchmark. Sheetal Singh topped the school with close to 97% marks in the science stream. Similarly, Aishwarya Bhakraj from the humanities stream was around 96%. Similarly was the case with Mukta Gaur of commerce. If I talk about class 10, again Gauri Singla was 96% as the topper. To go along with it, you would be happy to know that all our students of the science stream of class 12 went above 85% aggregate, which is a commendable achievement. Similarly, the scores, subject-wise scores of 90 and above in all the subjects had a decent representation of students going above that benchmark. Academic work is at the heart of what we do, but it is certainly not the be-all and end-all of the Shikshiyan curriculum. The skills learned and experiences gained outside the classroom, on the games field, in the music labs, on the stage, or be it the MUNs, in which every aspect of wider learning, our students participate, perform exceedingly well, and are outstanding ambassadors of the school. Last academic session, we along with our staff focused on 3 key elements which are essential or a part of our vision at Shikshiyan. Firstly, everyone achieving the highest academic standards. This has been the ideology at Shikshiyan since the commencement. We try to bring about a change in the academic standards of each and every student who comes to our doorstep. Second, students equipped with values, attitudes and morals that will serve them well in the later life. And third, the school delivering consistently regardless of changes in the context or circumstances. This point stands really prevalent considering the scenario we are going through due to COVID. We have been trying to deliver the same quality of education day in and day out, despite the classes not happening physically. I would like to congratulate and thank my teachers for putting in their dedicated efforts day in and day out to maintain those standards despite the problems caused by this pandemic. It seems difficult to believe, but we surely and steadily are on the threshold of the third quarter of this academic session. Owing to the lockdown due to COVID, this session has been marked by unprecedented changes, with online education becoming the new normal. The potential of electronic gadgets as educational tools was fully realized by the educators. With the support of the management, the teachers, we set out to transact the traditional curriculum using the digital platform of varied kinds. The students too responded positively, and we thank the parent body whose continuous and consistent support helped us in the smooth conduction of online classes as well as the online examinations. As the classrooms in the school building remained shut, the teaching-learning process continued online, rendering each home as a hub of holistic learning, nurtured by careful guidance of teachers, backed by the support of the administrators. Thank you very much for attending this function. God bless us all.
I, Jagmeet Kaur, on behalf of the entire fraternity of the Shikshan School, would like to extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all present over here for gracing the occasion of award ceremony with your presence. I must mention a deep sense of appreciation for our respected Principal Ma'am for always being the source of inspiration to each one of us. Thank you, Ma'am. Further, we are grateful to our Chairman Sir for his invaluable guidance with respect to the conduct of this event. Thank you, sir. I would also like to express our sincere thanks to all the teachers involved in the process of making this event a success. I would also like to express my gratitude to each and every parent present today, as without your persistent efforts, your child and our student would not have succeeded in achieving this milestone. Further, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate every student who has been awarded, as with your every successful step make us, the teachers, very proud of you. Finally, I would like to thank every student of the school for adding value to our real purpose of teaching. Thank you.